Hi, welcome back to Vocational. Guys, in today's video, I'm here again to walk you through another study pathway. Walk you through another study pathway with a very affordable tuition fee. The application for this course I'm talking about are already ongoing, and the deadline for the application closes on 31st of May, which is around the corner. So if you're interested or you know anyone interested, please share this information with them. All right, so application is already ongoing. The tuition fee is about €1,000 for one of the courses and 3,000 for another course. Now, the beautiful side with this particular university is that the tuition fee can be paid instrumentally, and whenever you change your mind after paying your fee and you're no longer interested, you can ask for your tuition fee back, and they will send you back the tuition fee, but there's going to be a reduction of your €75, which is very fair, right? Unlike other schools that once you pay, there is no going back. So let's talk about the requirements for this university. Number one, you need your international passport. You need your academic transcripts. You also need a recommendation letter. And for those countries that are not English speaking countries, you also need a proof of English proficiency certificates. All right, so basically this is what is required: a CV, a recommendation letter, a transcript, your international passport, and the last on the list is English proficiency for those that are not in English speaking country. Now guys, remember that the application is already ongoing for anyone that is interested. This university is in Greece, and if you go ahead with the application, they will ask you to revalidate your documents. Reason being that they need your document to be equivalent to the Greece educational system. The revalidation of your document takes a little token, which you're going to pay for it. Yeah, so you're going to pay for the revalidation of your documents, which is a little token, if you go ahead with the procedure. Now, there are two courses that are done in English language in this particular university I'm going to talk about. Number one, on the program in machine learning and data science. All right, so if you know anyone interested in master's program in machine learning and data science, the tuition fee for this course is €1,000, and you can pay instrumentally. That course is master's program in sustainable engineering and climate change. The tuition fee for this is €3,000, and you can also pay instrumentally. So guys, if you know anyone interested, please share this information with them. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And those of you who are not subscribed, know where to subscribe right now. Now, the name of this I'm talking about is Technical University of Greece, which is in Greece. If you're interested, please give it a shot. And if you have any question about this, please write in the comment section. If you're a bit confused about how to navigate your way to this university, I can also show you guys how it looks like, how you can go ahead, but it's very easy. Once you type the information, all what you need comes up. All right, so all the best, and see you whenever you see me. Bye.